Hey guys, this past weekend I was helping a friend clear out his back room and backyard, and I pulled out this case for sewing stuff. Still has a bunch of stuff in it. I just got done sorting it. My friend's mom gave it to me, and this is what I've done with it. Put all the zippers in here, all the elastic bands in there, safety pins, and all the magnets, hold buttons and loop buttons. Useless stuff for the most part. Some tools. It's pretty cool. Little X-Acto knife. Don't know if that will focus or not, but it says Bard Parker. It's got a little 6 centimeters on it. Made in USA. Made in USA. Go in there. A couple of other little things. The magnifying glass. The measuring tapes. Just an empty one. I had yet to figure out what I'm going to put in there. All the threads and wire. Some needles and stuff under there. Also came with this little ribbon. I don't know what it's for. Like, I know it's military or some sort of armed service, but I don't know what the ribbon is for, like for marksmanship or whatever I'll call it. Some sort of kit. A little clip that's also made in USA. More needles. It's got a little bit of damage, but right there, but otherwise it's still in good shape. Also, I got this lamp sort of deal for free. Thought that's pretty cool. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. Happy hunting.